Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite photographer Divan Sosoko. So on this video I'm going to show you guys how to create and save LUT in Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So this is the image I'll be using. So actually let me just close the visibility of all of this layer right here. So after editing this image, I've done the background, the skin retouching. So this is everything I've done being glued to this layer. So if I show you the before and after of it. So after I was done with all of this, I had to pop up the colors in this image, which is this. So let me just open the visibility of it, all of it. So this is it. So I'm just going to show you how I can save this as a LUT. Then if I want to use it on this image or I want to use it in some other image, I can use it. So first of all, I'll just come right here and I'll group all of these, which I have done by clicking. After selecting all of them, I'll just click Command G to group it. So this layer right here of these I did the skin retouching and all of that. I'm going to merge it to this background layer right here. So I'll just select the two, then I'll now click on my Command E to actually save, like to merge the background and this the group and the background layer. So after this is done, I'll come right here and open the visibility of this, then I'll select it. After selecting it, I'll come to my file. So after coming to my file, I'll just come to export. So when I get to export, I'll come right to where I have my color lookup table. So when I get here, I'll just click on it. So after clicking on it, this is actually what is going to show after that. So you come right here and choose your format. So you can choose 3DL, Cube, CSP, ICC profile. So on this video right here, I'll be selecting just the cube only. So make sure your guide point is 32. That's what I'll be using, and make sure you don't check this use lower case file extension, so you don't check that. So once you have these settings, you now hit on OK. So when you click on OK, you just wait for it to process. So after processing, you choose where you want this LUT to be saved in. So I'll just come, you can now see if I open this folder right here, there is nothing on it. So I'm just going to save it to this folder. So I'll just click save. So after that, the LUT has been saved already. So if I come right here and I'll delete this adjustment which I did, so I want to show you guys how I can apply that LUT also, which I just saved. So after I have just deleted that, all the adjustment I did, so I'll come to this color lookup. So I'll come to load 3D LUT. I'll click on it. So it's now going to show me where I have my LUT being located. So I'll come to the desktop which I saved the LUT. I'll come to this. Then you can now see the LUT here, right here. So I'll just click on it. Then I'll click on open. So you can now see all what I did. I've saved it right here. So I can choose to use this LUT on any picture that actually fits it. So you can now see the before and after. You can now see the before and after. Everything I did is still intact on this photo right here. So this is actually how to save your LUT in Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching this video. I really hope it's helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorial videos. But for now, I'll see you in the next video.